Okay. Oh. Ahaha. This is the South phase. Movies.
These are not South, please.
Okay, movies. Okay. The journey of South Indian movies
I'll
started.
show them first.
Huh.
This is Tez.
Tez movie.
Yes.
Okay.
This
That's
is
who's standing behind you?
Boman Irani. dude.
Boman Irani. Okay.
This is
This is so cute.
yeah.
Which movie is
This
this?
is Morning Walk.
Morning Walk. Okay.
Yeah. This
Any memories of any such movies? Come on. Let's just have them all.
memory. Pathshala with Shahid Kapoor. I had a big crush on him, and the minute I told him this, he went, "Oh, how cute!" And I wanted to marry him. मेरे सपने चूर चूर हो गए.
Oh, he's getting married, by the way. Now.
Shit. Okay, nice. God bless them.
Okay. So this is
Yeah.
once again. Any movies? Any memories about Tez?
Yeah, I worked with this Malayalam superstar Mohanlal sir, and it was a pleasure working with him, and that was something really big.
Really? Okay. And how about the Morning Walk?
Anupam uncle is cutest, Anupam Kher uncle, and I really loved working with him. And I remember there was one scene जिसमें हम लोग chess खेल रहे थे, हमारे बीच में ऐसे chess board था, and he was sitting on one corner, and we had to just show some kind of affection, or maybe हाथ रखना था या कुछ था. He did, come here. I was like, okay, what? ऐसे head to head इन्होंने किया, and it was so cute. I still have that picture, and it's really cute.
Amazing. And that's Uyala Jampala, if I'm not wrong.
This one, yes.
अबे ये अच्छा नहीं ये
This is the Cinema Chupista Mama, which is going to release next month.
Okay. Any memorable thing about this movie?
This one, it is funny. I think this is going to be my first commercial kind of a film in which I'm going to do a Masi song, which is a typical South Indian masala movie. So
Aha, there's
this is
something to look
gonna
forward
be-
to.
This is going to be very different.
Yeah. Okay. This one is.
This one is Kill Them Young, Care of It Part 2.
Okay.
So this is going
What's
to
the
be
most
special.
memorable thing about this movie?
This one?
Yeah.
I think working with Kishan, he is so genius. Kishan has a world record of directing his first film when he was 9. So that is something really genius about him. And whenever you talk to him, he talks something really, smart and genius. And sometimes I feel like, sorry, but I feel like Alia Bhatt sometimes when I don't understand.
Are you hearing that? Alia, she feels like a genius like you.
Okay, next.
Then this one. Okay, this one.
This is Lakshmi Rave Maintiki, which was my second film in South, and it was fun.
Any memorable incidents about that?
We went and shot in Kurg, and Kurg is supposed to be a very good-looking hill station, and it was beautiful.
Oh, nice. And how about Uyala Jampala?
My first movie
Yes.
as a heroine. Working for this film was very weird because I was giving my 10th exam. तो थोड़ा टेंशन भी था. I remember while the shoot was going on, I used to do my physics and chemistry, और फिर भी मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया था उन दोनों में. So yes, it was fun.
So
And
physics, chemistry, and Telugu. 3 things she was dealing with.
yeah, big deal, man. Seriously.
Okay. Any particular incident you remember?
I think after the film released on my birthday, I think last year, 30th June, we had screened this film here in Mumbai for friends and family, and it was fun, right?
Yeah, it was fun. It was absolute fun. Okay.
Shiro was also there in that screening.
Yeah. हाँ.
He saw my film.
Full movie. सारे dialogue बोलते हैं आज. Shiro. Okay. Your journey of South Indian movies started only a few years ago, but it has only become better as times have passed. And now you're working on more amazing South Indian films. Yes, you are. Even the people who don't know the language watch the movies and listen to the music because you are in them. And we all love you so much.
Oh,
That's so sweet. We wish you success and hope you get more films to do, inshallah. And of course, you have had roles in a few Bollywood movies as well, which were all loved by us. You're sweethearts. That's I'm saying on her behalf. Who knows? You might even get lead roles in Bollywood movies someday soon. We are sure you will, and trust me, that is going to happen soon.
अभिमान फिल्म आ रही है ना, हिंदी में ही होगी वो, डोंट वरी.
वही तो. हिंदी मूवीज में काजोल वापस आने वाली है. रीइंकार्नेशन.
इश, क्या फिल्मी लाइन मारी है.
फिल्मी. चल anyways. Okay, now this one is
एक्सप्रेशन क्वीन.
Expression Queen.
वाह.
That's amazing.
टीचर कॉक.
Teacher Cock.
ये रोस्टेड
The
वेडिंग.
Sorry.
सॉरी.
This is that Aryan के साथ romance.
Which one?
One by one. Yo, Aryan के साथ romance. What is नीचे वाला?
नीचे वाला is when I was trying a dress and you were giving expression.
Okay. और ये जो
बहुत पहले का.
मुंह में चम्मच फंसाने वाला.
I love this one.
This was like last minute. Like यार इस सीन में कुछ है ही नहीं. हम लोग क्या करें? कुछ तो ऐड करें
चम्मच
जिसमें
फंसा लिया था मुंह में.
चम्मच फंसाया.
Struggle.
डॉगीज वाले जैसे हम लोग ये हालत कर रहे थे. It was good fun.
This one is झुमकी.
हाँ झुमकी के साथ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is I think ये कौन सा है? कपड़े भी नहीं दिख रहे इसमें तो.
शक्ल दिख रही बड़ी बात है. अच्छा ये इतना शॉक लग रही है, ऐसे लग रहा है इसने शैलू भैया को नहाते हुए देख लिया.
She. Next.
ऊपर.
ये कौन सा है?
वही तो इसी के बारे में तो बोला. इतना शॉक
मैंने
लग
इसके बारे में बोला.
Anyways.
ओहो.
ओके ये
ये वो है when झुमकी is pretend to be Rolly और जब ये इन्होंने
Jhumki is falling in love with
Siddhant. Yes, this
So
one.
Jhumki is listening to Rosid's story.
and falling in love with Siddhant.
Yeah.
Oh,
What's awe about it? That's not
it
fair.
is.
Oh yeah, she should.
लव स्टोरी इतनी
Oh.
खास है यार. शेरनी और क्या था? कौन और शेरनी किसकी लव स्टोरी थी? I forgot.
Anyways,
This
the
is
Bombay track.
Bombay track.
This is where she does झगड़ा with the gundas.
हाँ
The
और फिर
same.
वो गाना पौने 12
which-
बजे.
Okay.
This one is अंजलि. अंजलि के साथ सीन था.
हाँ जिसमें अंदर डॉल थी नहीं, हम लोग सिर्फ एक्टिंग कर रहे थे.
हाँ. And this is which song was that? बेइंतहा.
हाँ सुरीले वे में बेइंतहा.
This one is जिसमें आप वो करते हो, टिकट्स लेके आते हो फिल्म के लिए और मैं फाड़ देती हूँ.
Oh nice. She has a good memory.
I have.
हाँ.
ये it was the scene where we are about to hug each other and then we realize, oh my god, what are we doing? And we just
Wow.
that one.
And
This
then-
one I'm missing you. Yeah. This one is I think ये वीरू के साथ जो मेरी शादी हो रही थी और अपने आके बचाया था. This one I don't know.
ए हाथ पे स्लिंग था, हाथ उड़वा दिया था.
हाँ. This one is that song.
Tell
my
me
God.
सारे और पिक्चर लगाओ, बोर हो अभी.
नहीं ये सिमर के बर्थडे वाला था जिसमें आपको रोली के साथ डांस करते हुए आपको इमेजिनेशन होता है.
ओके.
On the terrace.
सारे सॉन्ग टेरेस पे ही होते हैं हमारे.
This is when I was getting ready for wedding with Viru.
ओके.
And this is my favorite.
All time favorite.
काजोल एसआर के फोटोशूट.
Yeah. Okay.
Beautiful.
Hey, nice. Expressions queens. Expression queen. We have said it time and again. Simply amazing. We have said it time and again, but of course we'll say it again. You are the queen of expressions. Take a bow. Tung.
Sad.
Sad.
Angry. Happy. Excited. Nervous.
You name it. You're perfect at expressing every possible expression, and the proof for that exists in all the screenshots of we have of his scenes in SSK. Mostly the roasted scenes, of course. वहीं तो पूरा वैरायटी करने का मौका मिलता है. जहाँ नहीं मिलता है वो भी हम लोग कर ही लेते हैं.
You're able to.
You're able to act out every emotion so perfectly that it seems easy to do, but it isn't. Very rightly
No,
guessed.
actually जब रोसेट सीन होता है ना तो एक्चुअल में जो एक्सप्रेशन होता है ना वही निकलता है.
हाँ फ्लो में निकल जाता
Flow
है.
में.
I think roasted scenes में we have the most natural
Yeah.
this thing. Okay, and as we said before,
एक दूसरे की टांग जो खींचनी होती है. Let me
that's
clarify
easier.
that.
and as we said before, your eyes speak volumes. Woohoo! तेरे eyes का volume कम कर. शोर हो रहा है. You don't ever need to say a word because your eyes do all the talking for you. This is what makes your scenes even more captivating and gives you the title of Queen of Expressions. Ta-da!
I start blushing now. चलो बहुत हो गया. Hi, I'm Avika Gaur. Keep watching India Forums and also do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.